What's the meaning of countersubject? Countersubject. Countersubject.
Countersubject. Countersubject. In music, a countersubject refers to a secondary melody that is played simultaneously with the main melody in a fugue. The countersubject is typically played in a different voice or instrument and provides a complementary accompaniment to the main melody. Its purpose is to create a harmonious and complex texture of music. The use of countersubjects is a common technique in classical music, particularly in Baroque music. When used effectively, countersubjects can add depth and interest to musical compositions, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the music.